Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to convert a Canva PDF into a CDR file. If this helps you out, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Let's get started. First, open your Canva design. At the top right, click on Share, then Download. Click the drop-down and choose PDF Print, not PDF Standard. Under Color Profile, select CMYK, which is best for professional printing, and then click Download. Next, open CorelDRAW. Go to the top left and click Open, select the PDF you just downloaded. In the import settings, select Curves and check Import Comments, Place on a separate layer, and Crop Content to Drawing Page, then click OK. Finally, go to File, click Save As, choose your file name, and click Save. And that's it! Your Canva PDF is now a CDR file. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick design tutorials.